Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedchoppingguide.com, and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, we will be sharing with you our top 10 Instant Pots. Instant Pot has become a household name, changing the way we cook just about everything. From pressure cookers with multiple functions to blenders that cook, this brand is known for making all-in-one appliances. It never ceases to amaze foodies with its seemingly continuous line of ever-better products. Seriously, how do they manage to release new and improved products all the time? In this video, we have gathered the top 10 products from Instant Pot that you should add to your kitchen arsenal. The team at trustedchoppingguide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the Instant Pots that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on trustedchoppingguide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first Instant Pot on our list is the Instant Pot Convection Toaster Oven. The Instant Pot Pro enjoys quite a gorgeous layout, with a glossy black and gray color scheme that adds to the overall contemporary and wooden vibe. Hence, this oven conveniently fits into any kitchen decor. The subdued tone of these black tints also serve as a wonderful disguise for palatable stains and grime, which lends your cooking area a neater contour. It measures 16.53 by 15.55 by 13.89 inches, which is just enough to put on your countertop. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Instant Pot Convection Toaster Oven a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: multifunction. This convection toaster oven includes a variety of cooking modes, including air fry, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, rotisserie, toast, warm, convection, slow cook, proof, split cook, and temperature probe. Even crisp technology. The Instant Pot Convection Toaster Oven circulates hot air from the top down over the food to achieve the crispiness and tenderness of deep frying, while using 95% less oil than deep frying. Split cook. Combine two cooking programs to run sequentially, such as baking mac and cheese and then broiling for a crisp top. Optimal temperature. Adjust the temperature between 170 degrees and 450 degrees Fahrenheit, or choose one of the 7 customized toasting levels, great for bread, bagels, and more. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it is quite loud when operating. The second Instant Pot on our list is the Instant Pot Slow Cooker. This cooker features a fingerprint-resistant, brushed stainless steel exterior that's easy to wipe clean. Plus, the lid, steam rack, and inner pot are all dishwasher safe. Its 16.8 by 11.6 by 10.7 inch size gives way to the 6-quart large capacity that can cook for up to 6 people, perfect for families, and also great for meal prepping and batch cooking for singles and small households. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Instant Pot Slow Cooker a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: microprocessor technology. Consistent cooking results are ensured by precisely regulating the cooking process duration and temperature. You can manually adjust the clock and temperature as well. Multifunction. The slow cooker can roast, stew, bake, steam, slow cook, sear, rice, yogurt, ferment, and warm. The 10 smart programs make sure that all of your favorite dishes come out just right. Delay start. The delay start feature of the Instant Pot Slow Cooker provides 24-hour window for delaying the start of the cook. For up to 24 hours, you may keep your meals warm with an automatic keep warm setting. Easy to clean. To clean, simply place the pot in the dishwasher, as it is dishwasher safe. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the Instant Pot distributes uneven heat across the base. The third Instant Pot on our list is the Instant Vortex Pro Air Fryer. This air fryer has a 9-in-1 cooking functionality. It has adjustable temperatures that you can set between 95 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The air fryer oven's top heating fan also allows optimal cooking performance, ensuring that all dishes come out evenly cooked. At a good size, this unit can hold enough food for medium to large size families. It measures 13.23 by 13.23 by 14.37 inches and weighs 17.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Instant Vortex Pro Air Fryer a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: safety technology. Overheat protection and auto-off are included in the device's built-in safety feature. Energy efficient. If you want to prepare numerous meals at once, this 10-quart capacity Instant Pot can accommodate several cooking trays sequentially. Easy to clean. Cleanup with the Instant Vortex Pro Air Fryer is a breeze. Simply rinse off the grease and place the dish in the dishwasher. Also, to make cleaning easier, the door can be removed. Reheating function. You can use this air fryer to reheat food, reheated French fries are sometimes even better, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it has a plastic-like odor coming from it during first use, but it will go away very soon. The fourth Instant Pot on our list is the Instant Pot Coffee Maker. Kickstart your day with freshly brewed coffee or espresso from this luxurious 13 by 7 by 14-inch coffee machine. This product is incredibly easy to operate and won't take up too much space on your countertop. Best of all, its sleek design will be a head-turner in your kitchen. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Instant Pot Coffee Maker a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 3-in-1 function. This coffee maker is compatible with K-Cup and Nespresso pods, as well as your own ground coffee. Large capacity. The Instant Pot Coffee Maker includes a large, detachable 68-ounce water tank, allowing you to brew more coffee with fewer refills. Easy to clean. Used capsules drop into the removable container and drip tray for quick rinsing. Quality beverage. This coffee maker is ideal for brewing coffee and espresso at the optimal temperature and pressure. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the Instant Pot sometimes destroys plastic Nespresso capsules. The fifth Instant Pot on our list is the Instant Pot Milk Frother. The Instant Pot Milk Frother allows you to create warm or cold silky microfoam from either dairy or non-dairy milk. It sports a sleek and minimalist design, which takes up very little countertop space. With the Instant Pot, you can warm up to 10 ounces of milk or create up to 5 ounces of foam. In terms of size, the Milk Frother measures 6.2 by 4.7 by 8.25 inches and weighs 2.35 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Instant Pot Milk Frother a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 4-in-1 program. In addition to the standard warm milk setting, this milk frother also offers 4 additional heat settings: cold foam, light warm milk, thick warm milk, and warm milk without foam. Highly efficient. Whether you're making coffee or hot chocolate, this method will swiftly reheat your beverage without creating any foam. User-friendly. On this machine's 2-button control panel, only 2 buttons are needed to start or stop a program. Cool touch casing. For comfortable and safe handling, the exterior and side handles remain cool even after use. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is be sure to refill it past the frother ring, otherwise it won't be able to heat the milk. The sixth Instant Pot on our list is the Instant Pot Precision Dutch Oven. With an enameled insert that's beautiful enough to go on the table, plus its Instant Pot technology, this hand countertop appliance gets full marks from our team. The first thing you'll notice about this device is how heavy it is. Measuring 14 by 13 by 10 inches, it has a weight of 21 pounds. This is a hefty appliance owing almost entirely to the solid cast iron insert and lid. In terms of design, it's available in 2 colors, red and blue. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Instant Pot Precision Dutch Oven a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 5-in-1 function. This Dutch oven can be used as a braising pot, a slow cooker, a sear or sauté pan, a cooking pan, and a warmer. Large capacity. It can cook up to 6 servings of food, making it ideal for meal prepping, entertaining, or family meals. Easy to clean. With its dishwasher-safe cooking pot and lid, the Instant Pot Precision Dutch Oven makes cleaning a snap. Highly efficient. It heats up quickly and earns top marks for heat retention. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is heating is limited only on the bottom, so you must turn meats halfway through cooking to ensure they are well cooked. The 7th Instant Pot on our list is the Instant Pot Air Fryer. Instant Pot's 6-in-1 is a great-looking air fryer, square and upright in design, with matte finish sides and a brushed steel frontage. Cleaning this is a walk in the park because it shows fingerprints easily. Best of all, this air fryer is a winner if you have a small or crowded kitchen countertop, as it measures 13.03 by 10.2 by 11.02 inches. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Instant Pot Air Fryer a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 6-in-1 function. In addition to air frying, you may also broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat your food. User-friendly. One-touch cooking programs for easy chicken wings, roasted vegetables, cinnamon buns, and more. Plus, each stage of the cooking process is shown on the touchscreen. Safety features. Overheat protection and auto-off are included in the device's built-in safety features. Easy to clean. The air fryer basket and tray are non-stick and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is there are a lot of complaints from users regarding the smell of plastic, but it is expected to disappear after a few cycles. The 8th Instant Pot on our list is the Instant Pot Sous Vide. Clear your path to becoming a 5-star Michelin by adding the Instant Pot AccuSlim Sous Vide to your kitchen. You can use it for making desserts by mixing fruit combinations and cooking restaurant-quality meat by thoroughly heating or your pre-marinated dish. This item is perfect for beginners and experts with its ergonomic frame of 12.9 inches long by 2.55 inches wide. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Instant Pot Sous Vide a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: even cooking. There are no hot or cold spots since the heated water is distributed evenly throughout. Fast heating. The powerful heating element of the Instant Pot Sous Vide quickly heats the water to the desired temperature. Safety feature. In the event of an accidental immersion, the entire unit is waterproof to prevent damage. When the motor is taken out of the water, it also shuts off. LED display. The color-coded status indication on the digital touchscreen and tilted LED display can be read from across the room. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it takes longer to cook with this device, which is why it is best suited for cooking single portions. The 9th Instant Pot on our list is the Instant Pot Plus Pressure Cooker. You can now go around your kitchen and donate any appliance that you have around to some friends because this multifunctional kitchen machine does it all. The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is a slightly upgraded version of the Duo 60. We think most people will be fine with the Duo 60, but if you think an upgraded LCD screen and the addition of cake and egg presets may come in handy, then the Plus 9-in-1 might be worth the relatively small bump in the price. In terms of size, it measures 14.8 by 13.5 by 14.5 inches. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Instant Pot Plus Pressure Cooker a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 9-in-1 function. Cooking functions include pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, and yogurt maker. Other features include a steamer, sauté pan for preparing yogurt and other foods, and a sterilizer and warmer for warming food. Stress-free venting. The new and enhanced Easy Release Steam switch is intuitive and simple, and it automatically resets when the lid is closed. This makes releasing steam easier than ever. Easy to clean. Dishwasher-safe Instant Pot and accessories are included for this pressure cooker's fingerprint-resistant stainless steel sides. Compact design. It takes up no space on the stove and can be used on any level surface, anywhere the power cord can reach. So if you're cooking a bunch of dishes, you have an extra spot on the stove if you need one, while the cooker can be running somewhere else, even in another room. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is Instant Pot suggests replacing the condensation collecting cup every 6 months due to its brittleness. The 10th Instant Pot on our list is the Instant Pot Pressure Cooker. With 7 appliances wrapped into one multi-cooker, this kitchen appliance can cook fantastic meals 2 to 3 times faster than conventional meals, without taking too much space or money. Instant Pot leads the pack, always improving and adding features to each new model while most other brands follow in its footsteps. But even though fancier models steal the spotlight, the Duo 60 7-in-1 pressure cooker remains Instant Pot's bestseller year after year. This 14.8 by 13.18 by 10.4-inch pressure cooker features a touch button control with an LED screen that makes it a lot easier to operate. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Instant Pot Pressure Cooker a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: safety features. Over a dozen safety features are included, including an overheat protection system and a lid lock. Remarkably powerful, this pressure cooker cooks at a high temperature than what can be achieved by a conventional boil. Healthy meal. The Instant Pot Pressure Cooker allows veggies to retain more vitamins because of the increased speed and heat. Energy efficient. Pressure cookers use less energy during the cooking process than conventional pots and pans. When compared to traditional methods of cooking, the use of less heat and time results in an energy saving of up to 70%. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is steam pressure cannot lift the valve's weight because the surface area of the pressure indicator valve is too small. And there you have it, folks, our top 10 Instant Pots which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next Instant Pot roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at TheTrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.